Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually insert a page and a section in OneNote right on our computer. But first, how do we get OneNote? Alright, so we're going to come right here in the search bar. We're going to click. Notice this click, you bring up this dark here, but you're going to see show some app. So what you wanted to do, type in OneNote. OneNote. And if you notice right up here, you can either press enter upon the keyboard. I just click just like that. And to open this actually come installed on your Windows 10, but they have the 365 one, which is slightly different from this one. Yes, but you can do basically the same thing and all of that. Alright, so very important. So here we are now. So if you come right at this plus right here, notice over here it's the add page, but if you click right here the plus, notice it adds section. Yes, it's very important. Add section right here. So if you want to add a page, you come over here and click and say add page. Right, you notice we actually add a page right here. Now you can actually type within and all of that. So if I come over here, so now I click on over here, notice bring up something, click back over here. Right, and if you notice, you can type, you can put the body of what you wanted to do. If you want to create another section, you can click right here. You notice, yeah, so you can create a different page, but you can actually name this. Right, you can actually right click, just the same, you can copy it, paste, just the same. Right, if you notice right over here, you can rename it, you can export it, you can delete it, you can make a copy, just the same. You can create another new section and all of that. So all that you can actually do now. And section, you can actually change color, come all the way down. So this is how you actually add a section and a page right in Notepad. Right, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video.